Okay, so yeah. So hello everyone, good morning and good evening. So let's start today's session. So first of all, thank you so much for joining this session, a demo session on Vue.js. Okay, so myself Naveen, and I have 10 years of experience on the front end technologies and as well as back end technologies. I'm a full stack developer. So here, so today is just a demo session. It means I'm gonna walk through the course details and the course content. Okay, so what is that we're gonna cover for the next 1 month? Okay, so that's everything briefly. I'll explain today for first half an hour, and then once I finish with my session, I mean the this PowerPoint, and then I'll unmute you guys, and then you can ask me the questions if you have. Okay. So as of now, I have taken a control of your audio. I mean, you can't unmute yourself, okay, because I don't want to disturb the meeting. So once I finish with this demo session, then I'll grant access for unmute. So you can unmute yourself, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the latter. Okay. So fine. So people are still joining. Mm, okay. So let's start with this. Okay. So we have successfully started was we have finished many courses on Angular and React.js, and this is a new technology now. It's a Vue.js, and Vue.js also comes into the same category which like Angular and React.js. Okay, and one thing I want to tell you regarding Vue.js is if you already know React.js or Angular, or if you don't know, no problem, but my personal understanding regarding the Vue.js is very easy when compared to React and Angular. Okay, it is dead easy when compared to React and Angular. Okay, so and it's becoming more popular nowadays. Okay, even it is competing with React.js. Already Angular and React.js is uh, like both competitors, and this is also giving a more competency for these two other frameworks. And I can say in the future coming projects, a lot of projects are going to come with Vue.js, and already some companies has already started, and they're also looking for a Vue.js knowledge. Now, the people especially they have recruited in the year 2021. So especially they are looking for a Vue.js knowledge because slowly they are understanding a Vue.js uh, the importance and the the ecosystem of Vue.js, and they started implementing in their projects as well. Okay, so Vue.js, if you add to your resume, and it's like more chances of getting jobs on the front end technology. Okay, so how I designed this course is the same way which we made it for Angular as well as React. Okay, so we will start with a very ground level. Okay, it's like how you create a project, folder structure, events handling, and onwards to the next level. Okay, state management, states, okay, and routing, and also like next level advanced technologies, and then completely a bigger project on it. Okay, so this Vue.js completely a new examples and new projects. Okay, it's no way related to your Angular examples and React.js example. If you already taken my Angular course or React.js course, it's not the same example which we have discussed in React or Angular. It's something new and better UI. Okay, so let's start Vue.js, and of course it's a project-based training. But first we'll start with what is Vue.js onwards, and then we'll jump into the project. Okay, so it's like first half subject and the second half is the project in entire 30 days of the course. Okay, so now so let's jump into this. So first I walk through, okay, what is Vue.js course and all, and then lastly you can ask me the questions. Okay, so first thing Vue.js, and yeah, this is the person who invent Vue.js, and he's a Chinese person. Um, okay, so let's start with Vue. It's a progressive JavaScript framework, just like your Angular and React. Like Angular, React, both are actually for Yeah, mostly I just compare with Angular and React because I guess you aware of them. But it's not like you need to have that Angular or React knowledge to learn Vue.js. Don't worry, we have to. I mean, we are going to learn this from scratch. Okay, you don't need to have a knowledge, but I usually compare like that. Okay, yeah. So it's a JavaScript framework to develop the front end applications. Okay, and mostly this also comes to the same category like single page application. It means any link you click on a website, okay, so you never see a page refresh. Okay, it's a completely client oriented application. Okay, so that's single page application, and even Vue.js comes into same category. And even Vue.js uses the component based architecture, and it also supports a two-way binding. And the very important thing is it is very easy to understand framework. If you're already familiar with Angular or React, when compared to those two, this is dead easy to learn and to implement. Very few files, and generally, in if you know Angular, you have to write multiple files, right, to develop one component, one TS file, one JS file, one HTML file, like that. Even React also, but here only one file, one component, one file. That is that view file. Okay, everything you're gonna write there only. Okay, we will come to that later. Okay, so simple integration and ecosystem. Even I think in React and Angular, Redux pattern was like complex, right, to maintain the state and all. Yeah, this people has done something called Vuex, okay, for state management. So that is far easy when compared to React Redux or Angular NGRX. Okay, so they brought the idea of Vuex from Redux and Flux architecture. Okay, the Facebook was using Flux architecture of state management, so both mixing is Vuex. Okay, something they brought which is more easy to implement. So that easy thing is there in Vue.js. Okay, fine. It's developed by Ivan Yu. That is this person, very young. Okay, so initial release 2014. It's not a new framework. It's very old, but it's recently become popular. Just like Python. Python was very old, but recently Python was very popular, right? The same way. Okay, 2014. It is released 7 years ago, and current version Vue 3. Here you have to understand very important thing is Vue 2 is there, Vue 3 is there, and there's a huge difference between Vue 2 and Vue 3. And Vue 2 almost outdated kind of, and now everyone is looking for Vue 3. Definitely, once you have learned this course and once you apply for the job, definitely they will be migrated the project to Vue 3, or they're going to start a new project directly on Vue 3. And we are learning Vue 3. That's the latest one you have to learn. Okay, even this course will be learning Vue 3. Okay, that's a newer version. It's a major version, and which is released in the year this year only, April. Okay, fine. Yeah, this is not just a new course. I mean, it's not like a basic level course. You must also need to have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. um, it's like you must be understanding of front-end technologies, and also Bootstrap added advantage. And if you want to brush up these technologies, I have a YouTube channel called UI Brains Technologies, and you can just go there and go to playlist. You can find this. In the very near future, I'll be launching a Udemy course on these technologies, even elaborated videos. So I'll announce once it is started. Okay, so go through this because these are prerequisites. Okay, and you don't need to have a knowledge on React JS or Angular. Don't worry, and no need to have a knowledge on Vue.js also. We are going to start Vue.js from the scratch. Okay, fine. Next, yeah, uh, we have in this course like multiple modules are there, like module 1, module 2, module 3, like level by level will go. Okay, so here in the entire course, the major module is the Vue.js core module. So here only we understand almost every functionality and every fundamental thing of Vue.js. Okay, so it's like we are going to start with the first application creation using Vue CLI. Okay, as a command line interface, we're going to create a Vue application, and then we understand how to create a components files. It's a component based framework. Component is simple, it's a piece of UI on the website. Okay, and then we'll start with how to apply CSS, inline, internal, external, and then we'll start applying Bootstrap, like just level by level. Okay, and then we understand what is props, what is state, and how to handle the events, and we'll do some examples on it, and how to handle the forms, and we'll do some examples on it, and how to display a data conditionally. For example, if you log in, what type of data, if you log out, what type of data. Okay, how conditionally you display. Okay, if you have some products, if it is no stock, how to display not in stock, like automatically dynamic data. Okay, depend on the product stock, you display the different messages. Okay, and even list rendering, it means you can display the table content, dynamic table, how you generate. Okay, and filtering, searching, everything. And life cycle uh, of React, I mean, sorry, Vue.js component. And context API, actually I made a mistake, there is no context API concept in Vue.js. I got a copy of React, so this to be removed, sorry. No context API concept in Vue.js. Yeah, HTTP calls same Axios only. In Vue.js also, for HTTP calls we use Axios, and even React, if you already have, we use Axios. Okay, and oh, see React routing. It's not React routing; it's a Vue routing. Okay, because I just had a copy of the previous slide. Okay, this is Vue.js core module with JavaScript. A small correction: no context API. It's not React routing; it's a Vue routing. Okay, fine. This is so one. So once you have done with this, so you have a solid understanding of Vue.js concepts. Like it's like a base. Okay, core concepts. And once we are done with this, and moreover, all these example we are going to discuss on JavaScript. See, just like React also, you can develop in JavaScript way or TypeScript way. The benefit of this course is we learn both here only. Okay, we'll see all these example with JavaScript, and the next module, everything is same but with TypeScript. Okay, so how to develop a Vue application with all these functionalities in JavaScript, and the next module is the TypeScript Vue.js module. So there we start from first application onwards, because using TypeScript Vue.js also, first application onwards it is different. Okay, flow also different, file structure also different. Okay, so from there every example gets covered, and that fully on TypeScript, because we never know after joining the company, it can be a JavaScript or TypeScript. Okay, so you should aware of how to use JavaScript in Vue.js and how to use TypeScript as a Vue.js. Okay, so both we're going to learn here only. Okay, and once we are done with this, we'll start with something called a Vue router, and it's a special um what's called a library in Vue.js that's called Vue router. So we understand how to integrate routing system of Vue.js, Vue router, and what is static routing, what is dynamic routing, and child routing, nested routing. Like a lot of other concepts are there here. And then we will make some few examples on so routing. We will go a deeper understanding about the routing system in in Vue.js. It's like a completely different scenario. So that's one module. And after that, we'll start with Vuex. If you're already aware of React.js or Angular, in Angular, to maintain the state in the application, we have NGRX. In React.js, if you want to maintain the state in the application, we have Redux. In Vue.js, if you want to maintain the state, we have Vuex. Okay, that's what Vuex here. Okay, so here, this is not exactly the same design pattern which was there in NGRX and Redux. Okay, it's slightly different. Okay, if you're already aware, NGRX and Redux both are having a same pattern, like same actions, a state, a reducer and all, right? But here actions are there, state is there, but not reducer, is called mutation. So Vuex actually has come from the combination of Redux plus Flux, Flux. So Flux is also one like one design pattern to maintain the state of an application, a JavaScript based application. So this person, I mean, this people of Vue.js, they wanted to make the state management easy because Redux was quite complex to understand the flow also, right? So they wanted to make it easy. So they brought it from some half of the concepts from Redux and half concept from the Flux. So actions state you might have seen in Redux and mutations is actually come from Flux. Okay, like this is the flow. Don't worry, we have a lot of examples on Vuex. We'll go deeper into Vuex. Okay, almost every example which we have discussed here, right? Event handling, form handling, like HTTP calls, routing, like every example we're gonna make in Vuex as well. So you get the clear understanding how to integrate Vuex, Vue router, and the core Vue.js concepts into an application. Okay, so once we have reached this level, this Vuex and Vue router are advanced concepts. Okay, and we also understand a few examples on Vuetify. So this is Vue.js own library. For example, if you know Angular, there is Angular material own library. If you have React.js own library, React material. Same like that, Vue.js own front end design library is Vuetify. Okay, we also understand like how to create an application using Vuetify and how to use the components of Vuetify and few examples on it, because you have to know the front end, the particular front end technology of it. Okay, we will do that as well. And then finally, we also learn the backend part, it's like server side, because this is not just only a front end course, because it's a complete full stack course. Okay, front end plus backend, and the project which we are going to develop is also a full stack. Okay, and you will become a full stack developer after having this course. Okay, so we have, I mean, we're going to understand the Node Express and all, and finally we're going to make a project, and this project is completely new. Okay, if you already attend my React.js course or Angular, we were actually discussing there is either social media application or it can be a e-commerce application. Okay, but generally, if you join a company, um, it's not always e-commerce, because now e-commerce is very common for every course and even company also. Every company cannot develop e-commerce. See, every company is not a e-commerce based application. Okay, generally, if you join any company, the common concept, the common projects for most of the companies is dashboard. Okay, so here a new projects which we are going to develop is a dashboard projects. Okay, a full stack Vue.js dashboard projects. Okay, we do from scratch. Okay, so with this actually is like you can correlate your real project in the company and this project. You can easily correlate because a same kind of components and same kind of structure will be there and same kind of concepts also will be there. Okay, so this is a part of like employee management. You can just uh, it's like it's a kind of employee management system where complete dashboard you can see. I'll show you few pictures of it. Okay, yeah, here you can understand sorry, you can understand the form validations, authentication, authorization, and I mean this is token based. Again, here we use JWT token based authentication system, and also the form validation, how to perform form validation Vue.js. And we are using a fancy side navbar. Mostly you have a side navbar, right? In a dashboard projects. And we integrate with Vuex, Vue router, and the core Vue concepts. And the server side is with Express and MongoDB. And finally, we'll deploy the application to Heroku, and future implements also I'll suggest. Okay, and this is actually a look and feel of the project. I have not done, frankly speaking, I have not completed this because this is my first batch on Vue.js. Okay, if you want, you can see all my previous projects of React.js and Angular. Okay, we develop already the e-commerce, and another one is social media application. Okay, so this is completely a different application and different design. So this is not fully done. I have done almost, but I show you once I finish it. Okay, so these are like sample. So you have a login system and homepage here, and once you log in, you can see the admin, and this is actually a profile page. And if you go to dashboard, you can see the complete dashboard with all the designs and numbers and figures and all. Okay, uh, so because in company mostly this type of projects only will be there. So why I choose this type of project is it's like uh, it's like trending nowadays. Okay, who can develop a dashboard kind of project. Okay, in company mostly this type of things. Okay, that's where we choose this. Okay, it's a full stack. We have a front end as well as back end and back end REST API. So complete full stack application with Vue.js. Okay, that's the project. So half of the course is on concepts, and the remaining half, or the second half of the course is the project. Okay, and then we will do everything from scratch, and 0%. I mean, from zero level, how to create a project structure onwards. We'll do front end, back end, both. Okay, and then we'll deploy to the Heroku. Okay, fine. And yeah, this is all about the course information summary. And the batch code is 01. It's my first batch on Vue.js, so it's a 01 Vue.js evening. So please note down this batch code. Okay, so in future, if you want to ask some questions, or you wanna, if you have any query regarding the batch, just tell me the batch code so I understand. Okay, who you are, and which concept we understand by these, by seeing the batch code. Okay, these are batch code. And the important thing is total duration 30 days, daily 2 hours session, so 60 hours total. And it's a live and hands-on training. It means every example which we are going to develop, and every concept which we are going to learn, everything live. I mean, I'm going to code live in front of you, and even the complete dashboard project, I'm going to type each and every line in front of you and explain. And yeah, of course, we start from very basics. We start from what is Vue.js onwards to the project level. Okay, that's called covers basics to advanced level with application development. Okay, and the more important part of this course is the daily videos, files, slides can be shared for the practice. Okay, so this is very, very important because not everyone feasible for this time, 8 to 10 of Indian time. So if you miss the class, okay, for some reason, because and then that to this tough situation called COVID situation, so maybe you can't able to join the class, and you may join the class lately, or you miss the class. And how would I get the concept which I miss? Don't worry, if you join the class live or not, every live session is getting recorded. Even this current session is getting recorded. So every recorded session I'll be uploading to a Google Drive. Okay, every batch we have a Google Drive, so I'll upload there. I'll grant access for everyone to this file, so anytime you can watch this video, and you can access the source code, and then the slides which I am showing you. Okay, and even resumes and all will be there inside. Okay, and moreover, these videos and files can be accessible not just for 6 months or 1 year. It is accessible for lifetime. Okay, so lifetime you can access the videos and the files. Okay, fine. And then the class timings will be 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST Indian time, and daily 2 hours. Okay, this time is fixed Indian time, 8 to 10. And Monday to Saturday is the course, and Sunday mostly the holiday. Okay, and the course fees is fixed, 5,000 rupees for Indian, and 100 US dollars for others. Okay, only Indian people 5,000, and remaining people 100 US dollars. Okay, then how you can pay the fees is, you can do a Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm to this number. This my personal number. So how you have to pay is like this: Google Pay, Phone Pay, or Paytm to this number. And once you have done the payment, you need to send me a screenshot of the payment along with your email ID and your batch code. This is the batch code you have to send to this number, or you can email me also, so that I can note it. You are paid for this batch, and I'll grant access for your email ID for this video so that you can access the recorded sessions as well as the live session, because I'm going to share you the live session meeting link. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, so I'm done with the uh, demo session. I hope you understand, and just please note down this number. Anyway, I'll upload this video to YouTube, only this video. So if anyone interested and who can't able to attend the live session, they may also can join. So I'll upload this. Okay, fine. So I'm done with this, and I'll just enable you. I'll grant access for you to talk to me. If you have any questions, 1 second. Yeah, I granted. So if you have any question, you can just unmute and you can ask me.
Hi Naveen,
Yeah, hi, who's this?
Anurag this side. You must remember me.
Yeah,
RVC.
yes, React.js. Huh.
First of all, congratulations for Vue.js, and
Thank you.
into today I'll pay for the React JavaScript.
Yes.
Naveen, this is to ask you like compared to React, what is the
Mm.
future of Vue in India in terms of job for coming 5 to 7 years? Where Vue stand, where React stand as a UI developer, as a software engineer from last 10 years in this industry. I mean, because to be very honest, I'll go with React only, but I just want to know about the perspective of growth of Vue in coming time.
Yeah. Actually, when you compare React and Vue, yeah, of course, React is most popular because people has not most of the people has not just look into the Vue.js. They also thought that I mean React.js has come in the year 2013, and this is came in the year 2014. But still, most of the people are just looking only for React.js, and this is become popular. But slowly, actually, what happened, as per my understanding, is in React, like slight complex concepts are there that like Redux. So Redux is such a complex concept, and it's very hard to understand the design pattern and to implement also. And it's even more complex when you make an Angular NGRX also. Okay, so Angular NGRX is some level of complex thing to make the same story, but in React is somehow easier than React Redux is somewhat easier than NGRX implementation. And now the Vue.js has brought the easy things. I mean, how can you make same thing here? Also, you make a single page application, and there also you make a single page application. Everything which is there in React and Vue, but Vue makes us easy to implement. Okay, and that's where React stands. Okay, so what now slowly what people are doing is, so people started understanding Vue.js, and not just only the front end people, especially the PHP. I think you heard about PHP Laravel, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
Naveen, it was
yeah,
5 years
huh,
back boom.
yes. So the Laravel founder even liked this Vue.js, and he wanted to implement. He's completely from the backend, and he wanted to add some front end things for his I mean his framework. So he really liked the Vue.js and he supported. So slowly people are understanding the importance of Vue.js, and previously it was a very few amount of developers are there, and people are not I mean people are not that guarantee about the growth of this Vue.js. But now this community also has become huge, and even this is one of the third I mean world's most popular. In that third repository, I mean more number of stars repository, third is Vue.js. So like it's becoming more popular, and people also started using it, and many companies also investing on Vue.js. So definitely after 5 to 7 years, if you can see, so React and Vue, yeah, of course they have both pros and cons, but I can prefer Vue.js stands the like as equal to Angular, React, and Vue. Okay, like
Naveen,
maybe the same level.
Naveen,
Huh.
adding to this question, you
Uh,
started with Angular a couple of years back,
yes.
then you moved to React,
Mm,
then you are moving to Vue.
mm,
The previous batch, RVCJ6, which held around Feb March, then
mm,
we had a discussion of a Vue of around 15 to 20 minutes.
mm,
So,
mm, mm.
what prompted you to go with Vue? I mean, if you are teaching Vue, then
Uh,
you are forecasting its future, right?
yes,
So, I mean, first Angular, then React. Now you're coming to Vue.
yes.
So, Angular can be considered out of the market, considering the complexity it is having with the.
Ha, of course, yes.
So
So
now the
now it will
fight is
become only
between React
Vue
and
and React is the
React.
competitors, but we're not sure who will win. But I personally like the Vue.js because I have already gone through Angular and I have gone through already React and I am gone through Vue.js also. But I feel a bit comfortable and bit easy to learn the things and easy to explain also.
Is this
Easy to learn also Vue.
Is this because of JSX complexity which React has? That is tough, and it is not that is not present in Vue. Is this because of that?
Yeah, JSX also is there, but one important thing is see whoever I mean whatever the developer you ask in entire React JS which is complex is Redux.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I get
Okay, so everyone say Redux is complex. Okay, and this people it's like this is newer people now, so they came late and they came with latest. So they found which is I mean which are the pinpoints, I mean which are the weaker points in the popular technology, and they made it in a better way in this. So obviously this will become popular.
So, what state management we are using in Vue?
Here Vuex is a combination of Redux plus Flux, and it's easy for I mean maintaining the state and all. It's not that like Redux.
And how many project you will cover in this
One
session?
project, that is
One
this
project.
one. Yeah, one
That's good.
project because 1 month only na batch. So
Okay.
this project, and we have login system authentication. Everything is there, form validations and everything.
Backend is Node.
Actually, yeah, yes. So I show you some few examples. This is some data binding example, and I think yeah, this is just displaying some dynamic data. This is a state local state process, and this is like conditionally rendering like in stock, out of stock kind of, and looping also. And this is yeah form validation how to make in Vue.js, and there are some examples like oh, I think I closed that one. This is component interaction like from the pop-up, and I have made I show you 1 second. Yeah, I made in JavaScript, Vuex and all. So events binding. I just taken some pictures. Yeah, shopping cart example, same kind of like every example, but
I got
something in
it.
a better way, which we made in React. Okay, life cycle, server hooks, router, even everything, and filtering logic. Okay, and best thing is previously in React and Angular, right? We were using some static JSON data which have some persons and all.
Yeah, yeah.
Now here I was using this thing, this complete like the world countries data is there. Every country there is a free REST
Then
API is there, and that we are using actually. So every country population, the language, the flag, everything, those things are there. So that REST API we are using to understand the routing concepts, and even Vuex also we have multiple interesting examples. So something you can feel next version of your React or Angular codes.
thanks.
Okay. Okay. Any question?
Hi Naveen, this is Virendra.
Ha, Virendra, tell me.
Yeah, thanks for your accepting my request on starting Vue.js course. Okay, so
Okay.
in this, yeah.
Uh,
In this Vue.js course, I decided that there is no server-side rendering SSR concept.
no,
Didn't cover.
no,
Why?
sir.
Because that is the most important concept. Now nowadays we are using most server-side rendering. So if you don't mind, can you put on the concept also? SSR
Okay,
concept.
okay. Let me think of it.
Yeah, SSR concept. Please make
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Yeah, please
Okay.
try to
Yeah,
add that
as
one.
a as a bonus concept, I'll look into it.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello,
Okay.
Naveen.
Achal.
Nice to meet you again.
Hey, Achal. I know. Nice to meet you. Tell me.
Yeah. Can you add the test case for the one project? The test case is very important for the.
Okay. Okay. Even I'm planning for it.
Because last time in
unit
React JS we are
testing in
missing for
yes,
tests.
in React JS unit testing is missed. I know. Okay,
Yes.
I'll consider it. Sure.
Sure, buddy.
Yeah. No, sure.
Because last time we are missing the React JS
Yes,
page.
yes, I understood. That's what I said, right? We miss in React JS, but I'll definitely try this here.
Because test case is a very important part of the project, real time
Correct.
project.
Correct.
That's
Even
right.
I understand. Yeah, we'll do it.
By test case, you mean unit testing?
Yeah, unit testing. He asked.
Unit tests,
Uh,
yes.
we'll do. We'll do. Okay. Yeah. Any other? Anyone? No. Okay, that's fine. No issue. Okay, that's all about the Vue.js, and definitely you have a bright future on Vue.js. And if you don't have knowledge on React or Angular, no problem. If you're directly jumping into Vue.js, that's also a no problem. But we are going to learn everything from the ground level. Okay, you don't need to have a knowledge on it, but you need to have a knowledge on HTML, CS, and JavaScript, and just added Bootstrap. Okay, so we will definitely do everything from the 0% to the advanced level and with projects. Okay, and this is the course information, and please note down this number and this payment. So important thing is, as I said, first 3 sessions are free, like today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So these 3 days class is free, and last date to pay the fees is Thursday on 3rd. Okay, from 3rd only the paid people can attend the course. Okay, so these 2 extra you have to attend the course for free, and these 3 master classes. And tomorrow we are directly starting with Vue.js. Okay, there is nothing to start here. Once we understand these concepts, we'll learn TypeScript a little bit, and then we'll jump into this project, this module. So the concept is tomorrow directly we are starting. We are installing Vue.js and the required softwares, and then immediately we'll start Vue.js tomorrow. Okay, and second on second, we do few examples depend on a concept which we cover, and 3rd onwards you must pay the fees. Okay, so that's fine. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best for your future on Vue.js. And thank you so much for joining, and let's meet tomorrow. And timings fix 8 to 10. Okay, thank you. And today is just demo class, that's why we are winding up less time, and from tomorrow it's paka 2 hours, 8 to 10. Okay, like, thank you.